Hey guys, today we're going to be making these super fast and easy decorative farmhouse shutters. All you need are a couple boards and some very basic tools, and you're just going to start by laying out your boards vertically, and you're going to mark up from the bottom where you want your horizontal pieces to go, and you're going to secure those using nails and wood glue. Next, you're going to lightly sand your project with 220 grit sandpaper. And then you're going to stain with I used Varathane Quick Dry in Weathered Gray. It's a very nice color. And then I went ahead and put a coat of high performance top coat from General Finishes on, distressed it, and then I used General Finishes Van Dyke Brown to glaze the project. And then I finished it up with one more coat of high performance top coat. And there you have it, fast and easy farmhouse shutters in just about 3 hours.